Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.